ko mienu bi. And this I took from Facebook. Around here back sa message. Now me call ne war so no we not sure yeah. And so after reading through, I had to do some research in the Bible to support what he's saying. Sebeya kaidum diama me no mienu. Or sure ne say. Or say once in a while, take a pause on life and think about death. Once in a while, take a pause on life and think about death. Think about the fact that you are going to die regardless. And then share the blessings that you have with others. The absolute joy of life is figuring out a way and sharing with others. I say, brano, that could be. Abrabona o bolo. Jebrebi na dwene ho. Adwene ho a waka say dako ubewu. Dako ubefri asase so dako onka ti asefo ho. Anunti odwene ho a edawo na wo niema na wo no. Oh na ne amanfo chebi. Oh so say dey sit here. If you say all that you have today, one very good day. No, I shouldn't use good. One very bad day. I think I'm right to use good, right? Because wouldn't the whole man say daku yebehu. Now wouldn't so try my head I say no need faso, but right? I say wo any nipam faso. So I think using good is good, right? Okay, but let me use them simultaneously. One very good or bad day. One very good or bad day. I think I'm right using this too. You are going to vacate. You are going to depart. Na breno so na wo kwa. Emu bi eni hwa ode beko. Se na wo ta asresrew. Se na wo ta munamuna. Se wo nipa ntamu yo. Se wo trimu odin. Se wo timu nyadio. Let's run quickly into the Bible. Now, Hebrews chapter 9, verse number 27. Let me do this with speed. Hebrews chapter 9, verse number 27. Na yankai bribike to abi. Na me found support to the American. That's a very nice message I took from Goshes to remind you, say indeed, death one day. Hebrews 9, verse number 27. I'll say, it is appointed for men to die once, and after that comes judgment. And you can a NLT now say, and just as each person is destined to die once, and after that comes judgment. Ntinaje say chrono atra to hodada. Yeah, was a young kaidum de mami no mi and said dako de ye prepe ye ko nearba. Yes, some of fifri award dia we boy in suit a she and in a sefuna. We will vacate assassination. And let's go to Psalm 90 verse number 12 again. Nothing so memphonsi. Psalm 90 verse number 12. Nine also yenko kain kakrana yen ready or catch him. Na a honum no na yeme dekesipa. Psalm 90 verse 12 no de yeme depa. Or see, so teach us to number our days that we may get a heart of wisdom. The last part, a heart of wisdom. Teach us to number our days aright, that we may gain a heart of wisdom. Nti yenya koma nyansa ne adwene womu a yana montuo asasi so yakone ye ba wasasi so enye otan ne mom ebeye odo ebeye se ye che odo ade kire ye ho ye da odo adi ade kire ye ho And he said, ya kaini hunu, ni tia siya se, a dabi woho, a ya dakrope, na sa dano so na sa dano so ba, me Kwame Agyarko, wasi besia wutie me, udin, wode be show, se sa dano ne sa breno swa, obeko. But then se wonya akoma, whatever you are doing, you will think about it, and you will be very mindful. Say, that ko beko. Enti nipa nsehi na nipa nua ene nipa yonko ene nipa na nipa nso ehia nipa all of the time. But what I say, nipa hia nipa all of the time. Because a very good or bad day, you will vacate. And that day, when you are vacating, you will need human being. Ube hiye nipa, no wakwako jao kwani. Ube hiye nipa, no wakwako tuamna, di washamna nimu akatawoso. You will need human being to do that for you. Just as that very day, eso ya nipa ene de oba asasi so nipa ene kura mutete wo nipa ne de ko school no kire wade nipa na woni ne san ekọ ebasa kopem da wo be vacate afri asasi so a wo be san hia nipa amana kwako gya wo kwan no. You need a heart of wisdom na hunu say otan emfa unkosi hwe ananti twitwa mfa unkosi hwe Muna mfa sifi. Ya epe. Ne nunti wutumi go to the extent to say uku yonku nipa to get what you want, of which at the end of the day, of which at the very good or the bad day, you will leave all of these things behind. I'm not saying don't struggle to achieve in this life. I am not saying that, but I am saying that as you are struggling to achieve in this life, do that with love. Do that with love. For when that day comes and you are departing, for when that day comes where you cannot do anything again, you will get human being. So we need ourselves. You need me, and I need you. And everybody needs somebody. So we all need ourselves. Be mindful. Be careful. Pause. Have a thought of it. That one very good day, one very bad day, at some seconds or minutes, Obe Jem, Obe Ko. And another be able to say, yeah, Mitaka say, death makes nonsense of life. Woman abrabonia sitting mune and kwana you wanna like abeyan kwasiasem, because at the end of the day, after work ne bra wo bre no koba no sorry ahomachi no tisu, one day death will make nonsense of all the struggles, of all the difficulties you have been through. Death will make nonsense of it, and death will tell you, say, it wasn't worth it. Be careful. Be mindful. Show love. Have a heart of love. And live well before you leave. Good morning. Welcome to New Day. Good morning. Welcome to Friday morning. Good morning. Welcome to Ade Akye Abia. My name is Kwame Agyarko. Yakoba and Samuel. Ebedi hon komo. Wakomo etu aswamaye.